I'm sleeping much better. I'm sleeping better. I'm breathing better. I'm kind of aware of where I'm breathing, like if I'm breathing through my nose or my mouth.
So it's been approximately 1 week since Paul has completed the first series of the cranial nasal release technique. And Paul, I just wanted to get your feedback on your overall experience with that procedure.
Well, I was very apprehensive, especially in the beginning. And then after the first time, when we first did it, the very first one, my nasal passages were open. Like that afternoon, later on, we were doing some cleaning in an office, and I could smell the cleaning products in there so overwhelmingly that I had to ask my wife, what are you using and what is it?
But you said it was the same stuff you use all the time.
Same stuff she uses all the time. I just didn't smell it like that before.
Okay.
And I've noticed that, smells in general they've changed. They're different. I can smell a lot of things that I couldn't smell before.
Has that affected the way, the taste of food? Have you noticed a difference in that regard?
I don't know. The food I ate yesterday was very good.
Okay.
Was it different? I don't know. It was very tasty.
Tell me a little bit, because one of the main issues you had was a sleep apnea, and you weren't getting a good night's sleep. So
that's correct. That's changed in composition. So I slept longer after, I think, the third time of the procedure. I slept like 8 hours and 15 minutes, which is unusual for me.
And you did describe that you were having more intense dreams.
Yes, absolutely.
That's an indication that you're getting into a deeper state of rest.
Yeah, I woke up several times in the course of the night coming out of a dream, which generally that doesn't happen for the most part ever. It will if I eat stuff right before I go to bed or something crazy before I go to bed. But other than that, in general, that doesn't happen. Well, it started happening as soon as we started these procedures. From the very first one, it's been more intense as we went further on. I'm sleeping much better. I'm sleeping better. I'm breathing better. I'm kind of aware of where I'm breathing, like if I'm breathing through my nose or my mouth. When I exercise, I can take deep breaths in my nose, blow it out my mouth, instead of like having to suck it in and out of my mouth while I'm exercising just to get enough air in there. This was earwax. Like in general, I've had a lot of earwax over my life, but lately it's been less, a lot less.
How has that affected your hearing?
Well, I can hear better. A piece broke loose, and I think it got jammed against my eardrum, and I had to clean it out. So I just spray water in there and just kind of clean it out. But it's changed the amount of drainage that I actually have in my ears, especially the right one.
Overall, your experience with the procedure?
Uncomfortable, but I think I haven't experienced the total value
at this point. Correct.
At this point, but from what I've experienced so far, I'm glad I did it.